welcome back again to my channel. My name is Sophie and this is Sophie Says. Today we're gonna cook Dominican chicken. Yes, Pollo Guisado, for if you don't know how we call it. But yes, that's what we're gonna do. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna teach you a little bit of my recipes, like secret ones, so you guys already know. So let's keep watching and let's do this. Okay, so we have here a full chicken. Then we're just going to cut all the pieces. We're going to remove everything as much as you can from the chicken. Actually, I don't eat bones. So I just try to do this way because a lot of people like to eat bones. And this is how I started. A lot of people as well eat the skin of the chicken. I don't eat the skin of the chicken. Sorry guys, I am very picky. So it's up to you if you want to eat with the skin. It's up to you if you don't want to. So this is the way how I clean the chicken. And here we are. I'm just removing everything, taking as much meat I can. And here we are. I just keep going. I know this is a very long process, guys. So don't worry. Take your time. Don't rush. And yes. So as you can see, I try to remove the skin as much as possible. If you want, a lot of people take those pieces and make food. Now, we're going to wash the chicken. So you're just going to put on a bowl and with white vinegar. Wash it 3 times. Make sure about that. Then, now let's start it. You're going to put the clean chicken inside the bowl. Don't worry, you can use the same exact bowl. That is nothing going on in there, just in case. Now we're going to add a little bit of white vinegar. We're going to leave it there. Don't worry. As well, we're going to add 2 spoons of red vinegar. This is a very Dominican vinegar. It has a really nice taste. If you can find it, that is great. And then 2 spoons of oregano, teaspoons, by the way, just in case. Making sure that everything is alright. You can add as much oregano you want. I love oregano. Now, we're going to add Sazon Goya. Just 2 spoons of Sazon Goya. As much as you want. That's a lot. It's just 2 spoons. Just 2 spoons. Don't get more than that. Now we're going to add Sazon Completo. It's as well like Sazon Goya. If you have only one, that's fine. We're going to add 1 spoon of black pepper. We're going to add a little bit in there. I love pepper. Black pepper. Sorry. Okay. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to add a Sopita. So Sopita you can find it in the store, maybe with another type of corn. This is a very Dominican Sopita. Now we're just going to use 1 lime. Just squeeze it properly. Make sure that you take all that juice from that single lime. If you don't know how to buy lime, you can just squeeze it at the store, making sure it's not hard. Hard lime is not good because it doesn't have anything on it. Now we're just gonna make sure both limes are squeezed. Perfect. That is looking really, really good. You can see how is the water everywhere because everything that we just put in it. And now we're just gonna, oops, I dropped that. Oops, it's okay. We can still there. And now we're just gonna mix everything, making sure the chicken tastes all those seasonings everywhere. Either way, it's up to you. You can use your hands as well. I like to use a very nice spoon, large spoon, obviously. And I'm just gonna keep moving a little bit, and that's what we're going to do. Make sure everything is really good. Alright, so now we're going to take 5 garlics. So just make sure you take it. You're gonna peel it. Well, it's up to you how you want to do the garlic. To be honest, I love to do the very traditional way. Um, you can cook it the way how you want it. You can cook it that way, or you can just cook it like by hands. That I always do by hands, to be honest. So I just cook the ends, and then I just added on my bowl what I'm going to mash the garlic. We call this actually pilon. I'm going to show you how we actually do it very traditional. But in the meantime, we're just doing here peeling the garlic. Just in case, guys, if you need to review one more time all the seasonings that we already had put before, you can go back again. Just make sure you follow up the steps. Do not rush, because making this chicken takes so much time. Trust me on that. Just take your time. Do not rush. And now we're gonna mash this. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. We're just gonna put it in the pilon. And now we're ready to mash. This is the way I mash, always garlic, in a very traditional way, to be honest, on the floor. And now I'm just gonna on top and I'm gonna show you how it looks like when you mash all of that. And now we're just gonna take a spoon and we're gonna put all inside the chicken. So just make sure you can take it all, put it in there. It just means showing you how actually looks like the mashed garlic. I like to use this way. It's more efficient for the garlic to be mashed. For me, it's way better, to be honest. And now you're just gonna mix that again, making sure the chicken take that garlic. Take that garlic. I know I'm crazy. I know that. I know. So you're just gonna mix it all the way. Perfect. There we go. Making sure everything is mixed. I love the taste of garlic. So now we're going to do vegetables. Alright, so now we're going to take 1/2 a green Cubanelle pepper. We just call it this ají verde in Dominican. So we're just gonna cut it half. I used the other half for something else. I will let you know at the end. Just keep watching. So I'm just gonna make sure I clean it properly. I like to clean my vegetables. All my vegetables, they are clean. I always clean them. Please, green pepper and this pepper are not the same. Please do not use it. If you want to make a really traditional seasoning, make sure that you use this specific green pepper. So don't mix the other pepper. They are not the same. Every green pepper, trust me, they have a different name, and they have like a very like sometimes there are chili peppers, and you don't want your you don't want your food to be chili. Like you don't want to be spicy. That's what I want to say. So now I think after we clean the green pepper, I'm just gonna collect green pepper in a short way. Now we're just gonna cut it in a very slight way. So we're just gonna put it like pieces. But there we go. I just cut that little one that comes dirty with the pepper. And now we're ready. So this is the cut that you're going to do for this. So you're just gonna make like long cuts, nothing fancy, just long cuts. Just leave it like that. You just make it there. Keep going. Take your time. Don't rush. Trust me on this. I know you might be like, is it in a way like can be more faster? But I'm making this one for you slowly so you can learn all the steps. Now I just put it on the side. With you going to take a full onion, a red onion. Let me be more specific. Yes, you can use white onion, but for this one specific chicken, I like to use red onion because red onion has more taste. So this is the way how I do it. You're just gonna take it, put it on the side. You're gonna cut it on a slice. There you go. Slide. Just making sure Please don't cut yourself. Take your time. Don't rush. I am not a chef, but I know how to defend myself in the kitchen. Alright, so now we're gonna take a tomato. I just making sure that I wash it properly. And I just wanna cut the top, sorry. There we go. You're just gonna take it, cut half. And now we're just gonna cut it the same way how we cut the green pepper. This is the same way how we cut in the tomatoes. Perfect. There we go. We're just gonna put it there. Amazing. We almost getting there. Don't worry, guys. It's almost there. Now we're just gonna open the onions. You know, like taking everything apart, all the rings out. Yes, because you wanna mix that with the chicken and make sure the chicken takes all the seasoning from the vegetables as well. So you're just gonna take each one and make those rings out. Perfect. And I'm almost done here. And now after that, we're just going to put it inside the bowl where is the chicken. But there we go. And now we're just gonna take 5 sprigs of fresh cilantro. Yes, we're going to add cilantro. Just make sure you always wash it. Right, guys, so you're going to take this cilantro, you're gonna make it like smaller, and you're gonna cut it in a very small parts. There we go. And then you're just gonna add it as well inside the bowl where is the chicken. Trust me, the cilantro gives a really good taste to the food. Not every food, but because we're making Dominican food, Dominican chicken, this is very important for us. Now you just put it inside there, and now we're just gonna make ready and mix everything together that is inside the pot. Alright, there we go. We're just gonna wash everything, clean it, keeping everything clean. I like to keep my kitchen very clean. Alright, there we go. We're gonna mix everything, making sure the cilantro is everywhere. Look at that. Oh my god. Trust me, when you do that, that smells so good. Trust me, I'm not even joking. Like, sometimes you want to feel like I can't eat it just like that, but I don't like to eat anything uncooked. Just to let you know, let's verify that. I'm just literally dying to eat this. Oh my god, this smelling so good. The cilantro, the green pepper, everything. Look how everything it is. Alright, guys, now we're getting closer to the action. Oh yes. Now let's cook, my people. So we need a fry pan, a deep fry pan. When the fry pan is hot, you're gonna add 2 spoons of oil. Make sure you add it when it's hot, okay? And then we're just gonna add my secret. It is 3 teaspoons of white sugar. Don't worry, I'm gonna explain you what the sugar does. You're gonna be like, why sugar? Like, since when you put sugar, chicken with like cooking with chicken? So this is the reason why I add sugar. So what does sugar is, as you can see, the color is changing. We Dominicans, we use the sugar to give color to the food. Yes, this is one of my secrets as well, using sugar to give the color to the food. Look at how that is burning. That looks like a caramel sugar, but it's not caramel because it has oil inside. Please just be careful and do not try to touch it. You will burn yourself. Okay, so look at how the color it is, and I think we are ready. So you can use your hands to take this chicken and put it inside the pan. Please make sure you don't burn yourself. Just take your time. Don't worry, you're just gonna put it in there. Slowly, you take all the pieces of chicken, you're gonna take it and put it inside. There we go. Look at all the chicken inside there. Perfect. That is looking great. All right, so now we're just gonna mix everything. Look at how that is looking. Look at how the chicken is taking color. Look at that. It's looking very beautiful. I love that color. So that's the color that you need. That's the color that makes pollo guisado. So this is what you need. Okay? For the bowl where was the chicken, you're gonna add 2 glasses of water. You do not throw that water because we're gonna use it at least 5 or 6 times to make sure the chicken always is being filled with water. So this is the way how you have to maintain the chicken always. And then like when it's cooking properly, you're gonna put the lid on. And this is the way how chicken looks like when it's almost ready. Perfect. So now you just keep watering 5 to 6 times water, making sure it's not dry. To the last water, you can add tomato paste because it's giving more like sauce taste. And here we are. This is the way how it looks like after it's been cooked. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked my video.